The first question deals with differentiation. X squared ln 3x has to be done by the product rule. So the product rule of differentiation states that if you have d by dx of uv, it would be u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. So that's the first thing that we have to write. So question number A, it's an expression. So it has to be d by dx. Remember, it would not be dy by dx because there is no y over here. It's an expression. So x squared is u. So u d by dx of ln thrice x is v plus v ln thrice x d by dx of u, which is x squared. So this is the first line. We have to write it like that. Now we have to differentiate ln thrice x and x squared. Now the differentiation for ln thrice x is d by dx of ln ax is the reciprocal of that expression times the chain rule d by dx of ax. So this is going to be x squared 1 by thrice x, reciprocal of thrice x, into d by dx of thrice x is 3 plus ln thrice x into d by dx of x squared is twice x. So if you simplify, this 3 and this 3 cancels off and we get x squared divided by x, which is x, plus twice x has to be in front of ln thrice x. So this is going to be the value. Number B, we have to do quotient rule for this. Now quotient rule states that d by dx of u by v is v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v divided by v squared. That's what we have to do. So let's write this down. So question number B is going to be d by dx of sine 4x, which is the theta, divided by x cubed. So sine 4x is the u, x cubed is the v. So let's write out the formula. So this is going to be v, so x cubed d by dx of sine 4x minus sine 4x d by dx of x cubed divided by x cubed to the power 2 v squared. Now we need to know how to differentiate sine ax. So sine ax is going to be d by dx of sine ax is cos ax, and then there is the chain rule of the angle d by dx of ax. That means what we have over here, let me do it over here. So this is going to be x cubed cos 4x into 4 minus sine 4x into 3x squared divided by x to the power 6. That turns out to be, so we have a 4 over here, so 4x cubed cos 4x minus, now 3x squared is not multiplied with 4x, it is multiplied with the entire sine theta. So this would be 3x squared sine 4x divided by x to the power 6. Now if you want to, you can take x squared common. So x squared, then it becomes 4x cos 4x minus 3 sine 4x divided by x to the power 6. So x squared and to the power 6 cancels off and this becomes 4. So we can write 4x cos 4x minus 3 sine 4x divided by x to the power 4.